In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use TradingView multiple chart layouts for free. We're going to use the Vivaldi browser to display several TradingView charts at once without paying for a premium plan. It's quick to set up, it works on desktop, and it gives you a clean, organized multi-chart view with just a few clicks. First, install the Vivaldi browser on your desktop. The installer is lightweight, the setup is straightforward, and it runs on major operating systems. Once it's installed, open Vivaldi and you are ready to go. Next, open TradingView. Create multiple tabs in Vivaldi 24 or more if your screen allows and load a TradingView chart in each tab. In each tab, pick the symbol or market you want and set the time frame you need. Because each tab is independent, you can have one chart on a higher time frame for context and another zoomed in for execution. Or mix different symbols side by side. If your computer starts to feel sluggish, reduce the number of tabs or lower the chart's visual intensity to keep performance smooth. Now, select the tabs you plan to view together. Hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, and click each tab at the top to highlight them. Choose exactly the set you want to tile 2 for a split view or 3 and 4 for a grid. You'll see the selected tabs marked, which confirms they're grouped for the next step. Then right-click any one of those selected tabs and choose Tile Selected Tabs. Vivaldi instantly arranges your chosen tabs into a tiled grid, displaying multiple TradingView charts on screen at once. You can drag the divider lines between tiles to resize them and prioritize what you want larger. You can also drag tabs in the bar to reorder how the tiles appear, which helps if you want a certain chart in a specific quadrant. That's it. Enjoy up to 4 or more charts on the same screen for free. The exact number you can tile comfortably will depend on your monitor size and resolution.